All eyes on Doge. Big run up to the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up to the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. 42.60. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin.
Hey everybody, Kriss here. Welcome. Friday afternoon. How's it going? So this chart is not a Dogecoin chart, guys. This is a Bitcoin chart. I'm showing a Bitcoin chart. I'm beginning the Friday stream showing you Bitcoin. Because, again, I made a video this morning talking about Dogecoin waking up. And Dogecoin was actually starting to do okay. But it was Bitcoin that pulled it down. And it's like people keep saying Dogecoin, it's worthless, it's dropping. And it's like, did you look at Bitcoin? Did you look at ETH? Did you look at XR? XRP got hit worse than Doge. I mean, come on. It's the whole market. And it dumps. But at the end, one Doge equals one Doge. And we can still do Dogecoin giveaways. That's right. We can still do Dogecoin giveaways. Because one Doge is one Doge, regardless. And you know what? I bought more Doge. Yes. Doge order filled. Your market order to buy 420 Doge was filled. Filled on a nice red candle. What did I say? Red candles? That's the time to buy, not sell. I had some buying power on Robinhood, $100, 24 cents, 420 Doge. But hey, you know, it is what it is. I'm doing my part. Still buying Doge. Oh, Kriss, he sold out already. No, I'm still buying. We're going to make money on this. That one Doge thing, that goes way back because of the volatility of Doge, going up, going down, whatever. Just one Doge is always one Doge. That's all you got to remember. Vance bought the dip too. All right. Let's go. So what happened? We got a double whammy this morning, guys. A double whammy. Bitcoin, XRP, Dogecoin sink amid inflation fears. That's number one, inflation fears. And then number two, Bybit hack. A Bybit hack. Like you got something in your throat. Hack. Bybit hack. Cheers, everyone. It's a Friday. It's becoming like consecutive days of alcohol stream. I don't know what the deal is. Bybit hack. So what's going on? Let's go back to Bitcoin chart. 10 o'clock this morning. See those big red candles here? That's called the Jane Street dump. The Jane Street dump. 10 o'clock. Just about every day. Shorting. Huge shorts because leverage shorts already got taken out as predicted by one CrissPax yesterday. Do you guys remember what I said yesterday? Remember what I said about Bitcoin yesterday? Here's where we were. It's not that hard. You just got to watch the heat maps, right? The heat maps. Because we were watching what was going on with Bitcoin. And I said 98.8 on the high, right? 98.8. And then it was going to go down to 97. It's going to take out more shorts. And then it was going to go down. It was going to grab the longs down to 97. And it did that. In fact, it went all the way up to 99.4, got some extra leveraged shorts. Got shorts. But then Jane Street comes in and says, okay, we're dumping. Thump. Down to 97, as predicted. Bitcoin starts trading back up. And then we've got the hack, Bybit hack. Almost 80. Let's go back here first. And again, Bitcoin led the charge up and then down further, together with ETH, XRP, Doge, and just about every other cryptocurrency. So what happened? Futures traders got hit hard. In the past day, over 192,000 traders have been liquidated. $570 million in total positions closed. Yeah, that means went to zero, lost. Why people still trade with leverage, I have no idea. How many times do I say that? U.S. equities also took a hit Friday after investors sold on weaker than expected economic data that showed inflation might not be going away soon, which we talked about the other day as well. Nothing new. There's nothing new there. And Jerome Powell, the Fed, knew it. He's like, yeah, we're not seeing inflation coming down like we would like. So there's not going to be a lot of rate cuts coming forward, which then spooked the market as well. So the market just reacts and then re-reacts again to pretty much the same news on the economic side. However, the Friday dip in prices also comes after hackers targeted crypto exchange Bybit. The Singapore-based exchange lost over $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum. Bybit co-founder Ben Ðoge said Friday that the firm was experiencing massive withdrawals following the hack. The exchange, still seeking answers regarding the theft, suggested that a large transaction had been masked or altered so that the funds were sent to the attacker's wallet. So somehow they were doing something in the back scenes where if somebody was moving ETH, instead of going to where they wanted it, it was going to the attacker's wallets instead. Massive amounts of ETH. And so Ben said that the exchange was seeking a bridge loan to help return customers' funds and that it could cover all losses. Yeah, remember when Sam Bankman-Fried said about FTX, that your funds are safe? Remember that? Safu, remember that? Yeah, that didn't work out so well. Not saying that's going to happen to Bybit, but this guy's like, he's having a tough day. Ben's having a tough day, guys. But as of just a little bit ago, 80% of the lost ETH has been secured as a bridge loan from partners to ease liquidity bottleneck. So he's executed some loans to get ETH back in onto the exchange so that people can continue to trade ETH, even though they lost like 70% of their ETH. Gone. North Korean hacking company. Doesn't surprise me. Doesn't surprise me. But yeah, that's a lot of ETH. And I mean, ETH actually, you would think that it would have gone down more, but it's only down 3.8%. Bitcoin down 3.3%. XRP is down 5.5%. Doge down 6%. But there's a lot. I mean, everything's red, except Bitcoin dominance, of course, on my watch list. But it's all red, guys. So it's not Dogecoin. People just saying, oh, Dogecoin sucks. And I'm just like, well, first, you bought it, right? You bought Dogecoin. You know that's what comes, right? With Dogecoin. When the markets go down, Dogecoin always goes down harder. I've said that again and again and again. But when it goes on runs, Dogecoin will outperform everything. Patience, exactly. I mean, it's just like, I don't know how many times I can say it. And guys are blaming me. And I'm just like, I didn't hack Bybit. I'm not the one who caused inflation to spike. What do you want me to do? I'm just like, I'm telling you what's going on and what's happening. Stebbing delay too. Yeah. It's just like, oh, yeah. So here's the Stebbing news. You guys want to know, right? Like even Monica was like, 2 weeks ago, Tim Stebbing said, hey, so I promised an update today about why I was in Miami, about the exciting news I had for the Dogecoin community. Unfortunately, I have to wait for 2 more weeks until I can share all the names and companies and amazing people we've met. So, where was my... There it is. And so today, this is what he said. Okay, I have a draft update pending approval. Please don't lynch me. Because Stebbing knew that the Doge community was watching him. It's like waiting 2 weeks later. It's just like, and now he says, a draft update. Pending approval. Pending approval by whom? And then he says, I know, right? I shoot my mouth off about updates, then get told I can't say stuff until all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted. I'm glad there are sensible people around who make sure everything is done properly. If it was me, I'd just blurt everything out on day one. We all want it blurted out. Just tell us. Just tell us. So we don't know yet. So that's still out there. And obviously there was no like X money lunch today, like Idris said. It's like, Idris, come on. He even came back and I was just like, we're waiting for that rumor, right? We're waiting for that rumor, but nope. So Doge is now below 24 cents. And what are you going to do? 1 Doge equals 1 Doge, right? 1 Doge equals 1 Doge. Meanwhile, Dogecoin faces multiple challenges. Is a breakout possible? I mean, there's a lot going on, right? There's a lot going on. Doge has shown some recovery. Concerns persist about its ability to sustain a breakout. Still not there yet with Doge. Still not there. This thing goes through the price action, what the RSI is doing, network activity, bearish indicators, Doge's market value to realized value, MVRV. I mean, it's a negative shift. It's just not looking the best right now. I buy on the dip because I know how Dogecoin trades. Brandon just bought 1,000 Doge. Maybe knock stars. We'll see. It's out of our hands. I mean, it's like, I'm buying. Some of you guys are buying. The options are getting liquidated. While Dogecoin has bounced off key support, shows some signs of potential short-term recovery, multiple obstacles are standing in the way of a strong breakout, particularly when there's bad inflation news and a Bybit hack that dumps. It's like, it's not just Dogecoin. It's not just Dogecoin. At this point, Doge's price action remains uncertain. Its next move will depend on how the market addresses the challenges ahead. While some hope for a rally fueled by whale activity, potential support holds, others fear that Dogecoin may continue to struggle in the face of bearish pressures. So that's where we are. That's where we are. And then one more thing. Have you guys heard of Dogecoin Cash? I've heard of Bitcoin Cash. I never heard of Dogecoin Cash. And this thing showed up, Dogecoin Cash, in this $Dog tokens. So someone has created something called Dogecoin Cash. I have no idea what this is. I just did the Tim Stebbing thing 5 minutes ago, Linda. Just go back 5 minutes. There's something called Dogecoin Cash, previously known as cannabis sativa. And I'm like, weed? I'm like, weed? What? Hold on just a second. Hold on just a second. In top drawer in kitchen. Hold on just a second. Set. All right. Sorry. A lot going on. Anyway, this Dogecoin Cash thing, I don't know what this is. It's some company based in Puerto Rico that used to be some kind of weed thing and is now calling itself Dogecoin Cash Incorporated. And they say they're going to try and make this thing be a kind of currency. And I'm like, we already have Dogecoin. What are you doing? Some weed guy is now going to make this Dogecoin Cash thing. And it's $Dog. But I already thought there was a $Dog that was a Bitcoin based thing. So I don't know what's going on. I'm just like, can people be original? Just come up with Dogecoin Cash. Really? We're already confused enough about Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency Doge versus Doge, the cryptocurrency. And so we've talked about that. So that isn't helping Dogecoin. And now there's this stupid Dogecoin Cash thing. It's just like, Anyway, I just thought, I saw that and I just thought, yeah, I'll just put that out there, Dogecoin Cash. And so $200 million in Bitcoin liquidated, a lot on the shorts, but also on the longs. It's almost divided evenly. That 200 million is like 100 million short and then 100 million long. They got it going up and they got it going down. As I said yesterday, that would happen, and it did. They got both that we pointed out. And if you don't know what that was, well, I took a clip from the live stream yesterday, just this 2-minute clip of when we were looking at the heat map, and exactly what I said yesterday played out today. But it's on X there if you wanted to just see that clip, just to say, Kriss called it. Follow me at KrissPax on X. Try and have a little fun there as well. And in the end, one Doge equals one Doge. It's a Friday. I know, red candles, Doge still going down. Cheers. Cheers. How are we doing in the chat, guys? Watch, nothing will come of it, just like his BS cannabis company. Most likely, yeah. Today, at least it's been entertaining, right? Hey, Jay, is this an extended bull run phase? I mean, I predicted the high for Dogecoin wasn't going to be until like October, November timeframe for this year. So that's still out there. For a pro-crypto president, Trump sure knows how to tank crypto. Well, the Trump token didn't help. That's for sure. But I don't think he's purposely tanking crypto. And I think this whole Bitcoin strategic reserve thing is going to come out. And, but it's going to be like 5.5 months. The working group is going to do their thing. There's going to be some kind of stable coin. We know that. But I think they're going to do the Bitcoin reserve too. Greg is so right. Doge is and will always be the people's currency. Send it, spend it, save it, love it. Whole lot of 2025 to go. I know some of you bought in the 30s and 40s, and now it's down at like 23.7 cents. And you're like, Oh! And I just like, it's a lot of when you buy cryptocurrency is all about timing, and that affects how you feel about it. So if you bought at a higher price and now it's lower, I get it. We've looked at the history, we've looked at how the charts work. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to trade exactly like it has in history before, but these 4-year cycles are still a real thing. And I just bought more Dogecoin today because I still believe prices are going to go up. So what can we do? That's right, Cheyenne. What can we do? You're going to sell on the red candles and just leave? Or do you believe it might still go up? So you buy more on the red candles? North Korea should have hacked for a coin. I know. They went after ETH. The pattern has happened a few times. Steady growth, some news, drop, crash the stock market, then it drags all the crypto down. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Mother Goose. Yeah. Good timing. Good timing for me. I mean, if I had sold like a month earlier, I would have had more, but it just happened to coincide with, you know, us finding the house, which ended up being a good thing, a good time for us. Hey, Sunshine, alt volume was over 2.5 times Bitcoin. Could the trading volume be a new signal for alt season? No, because it was dumping. Alts, again, came down harder. Bitcoin down 3.2, Doge down 6, ADA down 6, Sol down 4, HBAR down 6. So it's the volume is up, but it's selling. It's a sell-off because people know the alts get hit harder. So they sell to buy back in at a lower price. You're going to watch The Brutalist tonight? Nice, Jay. I can't wait to see it. We've been so busy with the house that don't have time to go watch a 3-hour movie. It's a long movie. That's what I've heard. Crypto the Conqueror. Elon said he's living the meme. It wasn't about Dogecoin. I covered this in my video this morning. He was not talking about Dogecoin. He was talking about the Department of Government Efficiency, that Doge. And that Doge, that's the real thing, which is why the whole confusion is just, even you guys are like confused. It's like, you know, Elon was not talking about Dogecoin. And he doesn't care. He's just like, he's like having fun. So, Andrew, Doge is a coin I can literally put money into and look away. You sweat with other cryptos, but not, oh, no, it's good. That's good. That's good. Derek getting creamed. Yeah, not looking great. Not looking great at the moment, but this is a temporary thing. How are we going to do over the weekend? I don't know. This is a bad timing on a Friday afternoon to have this. Typically, we don't see big runs on the weekend following a bad Friday. It'll probably recover a little bit, and then it'll just kind of go sideways with like no volume again. Because of all the volume today, that's typically what we see. Bitcoin's going to probably recover up into the mid 95s, maybe back to this 96 line, and then it's just going to flatline until like midday Sunday evening, which will be my next live stream after today. Will not be live on Saturday. Not regretting, Kevo, 39, 29, 25. So you're going to get back in, but when? At what price? On the Bitcoin Reserve, even if the federal government doesn't do it, several states are in the process. Most of the states that are trying to get it approved, their state legislatures haven't been approving it. It's been tough. So we'll see. Texas might do it. If anybody's state can, it's probably Texas. Yep, exactly, David. It was a nice morning. I was making my video and Doge was up here hitting 26 cents. During my morning video, I was like, awesome, let's go. Doge is waking up, right? Yeah, no. Ugh. Trump and team is giving us a chance to buy more. I don't think they really think that way, but hey, I'll take it. Yeah, we covered it. RR. We were late. You just have to go back and watch the whole thing I did on Bybit and the inflation. It didn't just sell down by itself for nothing. What goes down will eventually come back up. Patience. Yep, Doug, patience. Yeah, the heat map now exactly doesn't look like there's much more down there. I mean, really it was brutal throughout the day. Yeah, there's a little bit. 35 million at 94.5. This is on Bitcoin. Another 30 million at 94.3. Look at all the new shorts. A lot of new shorts. And here we go. Here we go. We'll be doing a Dogecoin giveaway though, because Sunshine says, look, 1 Doge equals 1 Doge. You got to learn how to make the right D though. You got to learn how to make the right D. But you have to have your phone for it. Or you can do a copy paste. Did you guys know that? You can do a copy paste. Watch this. Go to billym2k.net. Go to billym2k.net. You know who that is? That's Billy Marcus. billym2k.net. He's got a thing called copy and paste. So if you ever want to get that D and you don't know how to, go to his copy and paste. He's got the X, but he also has the D. And so you can copy that to your clipboard, and then you can paste it in. And there you go. So if you're ever wondering, if you're somewhere you can't get to the D, the Doge D, that's how you do it. You go to billym2k.net. Billy has made this for us, along with the shrugging shoulders and the, yeah. And I don't know what the heck this is. I don't get all of that, but whatever that is, you got to tell me what that is, Koi. I have no idea what this is. What does that mean? I have no idea. I don't see anything that sort of says what it is. It's a table turn. It's a dude flipping a table. Oh, okay. I was like, what is he doing? He's flipping the table. Got it. All right. Table flip. I didn't know that one. But there you go. Got it. Thank you. Anyway, if I'm not on the keyboard where I can get to that D, I just go to Billy's page. I just copy it. Yeah, well, I always look at Bitcoin first and then Doge, because Bitcoin drives it for the most part. You dropped 1.5K on it. If it goes down more, another 1.5. Like the stream, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed too. We got a Dogecoin giveaway coming up. I just changed my status message on my company's teams to Doge. Do only good every day. Do people get it, Jay? Do they know what you're talking about? Do people know what that means? Have I unpacked the home? No. It's a slow process. You can see my bookshelves on the corners here are still empty. Still empty. So I did the important things, and now we're just picking away at the boxes. Picking away. Tax cuts, yes, RR. I still think tax cuts are coming later in the year. I think they're lower on Trump's priority because it's not going to do anything now. It's for next year's taxes. No regrets, Perrin. Can't have regrets. I mean, we all saw 48-cent Doge. And for those of us that didn't sell then, can't have a regret. All you think about now is, what am I going to do now, right? Don't regret what you didn't do in the past. So, yeah, if Bitcoin drops below 90K, yeah, Doge could probably be lower than 20 cents. Yep. We could see that. Elon needs to support Dogecoin. He needs to. Yes, Linda, this is a fireplace right behind me. My office is very nice. I'm not using it quite like others because I do these YouTube. This was the best background. So my back is to the fireplace here. It's kind of nice. My back can get all toasty warm. 69 likes. Oh, we're up to 80 now. Got to have 100 though before we can do a giveaway. I thought people were using the Vietnamese keyboards. It's also on your iPhone or Android. If you go to the capital D and you just hold down the D button, then you get little choices. And one of them is the Dogecoin D. You can do it that way too. Yeah, what happened to the Doge rocket? It was a satellite. It was a satellite. So SpaceX was ready with the rocket. It was that third-party company that wasn't ready with the satellite. And I don't know if they're still doing it or not. They're making a whole bunch of different moon and space things, and I don't think the Doge satellite is high on their list now. So that may never happen. FTX payouts will make it dip. FTX is paying, I don't know if they're really paying out in crypto, though. I think they're paying out cash or stable coin or something. I'm not sure about that, though. Yeah, Samsung phone has it. You just hold down on the capital D and the Doge D comes up. Yep. Thank you, Jason. Keep buying more Doge. That's what I did today. Doge down into 23.5 now. Doge taking a dump in the back of the bus. Hey, John, how are you? Doge is not dead, Ramses. No. No special messages today, Raiden. It was just all about Bitcoin. Bitcoin dumped, which caused everything else to dump. Well, it's kind of ETH started it. Nice, Bob. Doge. Exactly. It's Bitcoin dead. No. The special message is D. Ah, there it is. That's the special message. You received a refund from FTX and you put it in baby T. BBT? Or is that Bybit? Did it like do some kind of autocorrect on you? We knew it right from the start, Knockstars, what happened between Department of Government Efficiency and Dogecoin. It was those Dogecoin guys on X that made this meme, came up with the name Department of Government Efficiency and thought, oh, wouldn't this be cute? And they came up with this dog logo and Elon reposted it. He liked it so much. And then he thought about it for a little while, and he was like, yeah, we could really make that. We could really do that. It wasn't Elon's idea. It was CB Doge or Sir Doge of the coin, one of those guys. I think it was Sir Doge was originally the one who came up with it. Unintended consequences. That's what that's called. Yeah, we covered the Bybit hack earlier, Manisha. Yep, not good. I hope you weren't holding any on Bybit. ChatGPT gave you the D. Oh, Blake, nice. You asked ChatGPT for it. I'll bet Grok would give it to you as well. Yes, Demi, a bit for Bitcoin, holding Doge, smash the like button 3 times, right? As long as it's not an even number, because then there's no like. Exactly, Greg. Thank you again for your generosity. Appreciate it. Yeah, we talked about that yesterday, the stimmy checks. I don't know if that's really going to happen or not. I mean, it was something that they were talking about. Just they're saving so much money from our government's wasteful spending. Why not share it back to the citizen? I was just like, well, you want inflation to go back up. That'll do it. Terry Silbert. Yes, Elon owns Dogecoin. He has said that a number of times. We don't know how much. But he said he's got some Dogecoin, he's got a little ETH, and he's got Bitcoin. And that's it. Fartcoin down 10. Doge down 10 on the 24-hour. Yeah, if we go to crypto bubbles, we will see. Painful. Painful. Look at IP down 19%. Jitto's going up. I don't know what's going on with Jitto. It had a big run earlier today. Big green candle. Doge down 6.7, 24 hours. 7.4 since last night. So I don't know where you got 10%, KB. We're getting the halving early. We're starting 2028's bull cycle. It's being discussed. I know, Elliot. Stimulus checks. I don't know. I don't know. The Epstein client list. Pam Bondi's got it. Some of you in the chat are big Pam Bondi fans, I know. Big Pam Bondi fans. And guess what she has? She has the Epstein client list. Yes, she does. What would you do in order to get that list from Pam Bondi? Such pay X payment. Yeah. Not happening, Masood. Like typical, like all this stuff, right? Yeah, Bybit. That's what I thought. It's like baby tea. My friend Ben said that when we get the government check, it will be ironic because Doge will allow us to get more Doge. Yeah. Do you want Grok's voice to sound like Joshua from War Games? Good luck with that. Good luck. I did not do a Coinbase weekly drop. I have been out of commission this week. Totally out of commission. What is Toshi? That's a great question, chat. Apparently it's Brian Armstrong's cat. He's the CEO of Coinbase. So, cat, Toshi, it's just another meme. Right, a stimulus to boost the economy, and then you get hit for it later. Inflation. Yeah, peak is coming back down. Looks like peak is going to run like that. It doesn't it? It's going to go on a big run up, and then it's going to dump back down. It's going to get swing traded all the hell. I know. Is the whole list going to come out in its entirety? Or are there going to be some names, let's say, redacted? Hey, they're trying to be transparent about things. Yeah, low roller. We talked about Bybit earlier. Go back, and about 5 minutes in, we covered it. About 5 minutes into the stream. I still think we're in an overall bull market. This is just a February noise. We've done this before. 2021, we had a big end of January, beginning of February, and then nothing happened until April. From mid-February to the end of February and all through March, Doge did this. Did exactly this. It was between like 4 and 5 cents. Which, I mean, those are like 10 to 20% ups and downs, which is what we're doing now. But that happened in 2021. And then April happened and Doge took off. So we could see that again. You're a Caroline Levitt kind of guy, Klondike? Yeah, she's pretty all right too. I love the confidence she has too. Just tells it like it is. She has that little smile, just like, we got it. You got an alert from Robinhood. Okay, so Robinhood does their, I think they go to midnight. So maybe it's 10% down from midnight. Because I think that's when Robinhood starts their new day. Yeah, I think they have to stay away from the word tax, Danny, because that's all IRS. So they just have to stay away from that. Peak is a long-term investment. That's what I've been saying right from the start. It's a long-term investment. And then people got all mad at me. You keep saying long-term investment. And I'm like, well, what else do you want me to say? I bought it on day 2. It was trading. It's a long-term investment. Hi, Sulfikar. How are you? Cash is going to go after Adam Schiff. Good. FBI, man, it's going to be a different place. Totally different place with cash in charge. You know, he owns a lot of crypto too. Yeah, redacted names. We'll see. I don't think the Trump side did anything about stalling cash. I think it was all on the Democrats, so they could like clean up more files or something. But yeah, I'm excited about it too. I think like all of everybody that's in charge of these departments now are going to be awesome. And thank you for the super chat. Elon to Area 51. Find out what's going on there. Yeah. If you just keep talking and spamming nonsense videos, all your dreams might come true. I'll take it, Evergreens. I'll take it. Hey, I'm just trying to keep people informed of what's going on. Let the games begin. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. How about a giveaway, guys? Greg, thank you again. Across the board in a bull market, there's plenty of dips. That's crypto. Test your patience, big dips. And we keep looking for, I mean, maybe that was it right there, 23.5. That was it right there. We'll see. We'll see whether that 23.5 there is the dip of the dip, and we go up from here. Well, I do a giveaway. Okay, here's the giveaway rules, guys. Why did like 5 people just left the stream? I'm talking giving away Doge. People don't want Dogecoin. Oh my gosh. Same rules. This is going to be random. It's not going to be a trivia questions. And we've got 3 draws again today. 33 Dogecoin to each of the 3 winners. You have to be able to send me your Dogecoin wallet via email. Yes, old school, via email to krisscrypto@gmail.com. I have it right here on the screen. Kriss with a K, crypto with a K. That's krisscrypto@gmail.com. What if I did lowercase d today, guys? You guys are already doing capital D. It's going to be capital D. I'm not going to mess it up. See everybody typing in Dogecoin with a capital D? Kevo, not lowercase d, capital D. Blake, capital D. It's going to be the capital D to be in the drawing. Dogecoin, capital D, that gets you into the draw. And we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to do a giveaway. We're going to do 3 of them. Thanks to our friend Greg. And I want to see Dogecoin in the chat. Dogecoin, capital D, Dogecoin. We already have 46 entries. Just Dogecoin with a capital D, as you see on the screen. We'll see how many we get into the draw today for 3 Dogecoin giveaways of 33 Doge each. You have to be willing to send me your Dogecoin wallet. I got all 3 from yesterday. They all got their Dogecoin. There are many people who have never received Dogecoin before. Isn't that amazing? Never received a tip or a gift of Dogecoin. And this is your chance. And that's why one D equals 1 D. 1 Doge equals 1 Doge. You've never received Doge, Mother Goose? Maybe today's your day. Maybe today is your day. And if you typed Dogecoin in multiple times, you still only have 1 entry. This picker is very smart. It's very smart. It knows that people are going to try and game the system. No, it's not rigged. You'll see. Daddy Dean's a new pair of Doge. We're up to 86 entries, almost to 100. Steffan's in again. Going to try and win again, huh? Hey, if somebody wins again, they win again now. During the trivia, I was trying to keep it apart, but all right, we're getting close. 7 more, and then we're going to start. We're going to do 3 draws of Dogecoin. Of course, Stephen, right. All right, so we're going to do our first draw here in 1 more minute. Giving away Dogecoin. You're not disqualified. Nope, this is a new day. It's a new day. Okay, let's go. The first draw. Everybody got your Dogecoin in? All right, here we go. First draw. And here we go. Randomizing. Who's going to win? Tell him Alejandro or T. Alejandro is the winner of the first 33 Doge. Alejandro, congratulations. Send me your Dogecoin address. Must begin with the letter D. I only accept Dogecoin addresses that begin with the letter D. We're going to draw again. Second draw. Let's go. Here we go. Adam Z is the winner for the second draw. It's Adam. Adam, congratulations. It's totally random. I have no control over this thing. No control over this thing. So we got Alejandro. We've got Adam. Looks like it's going to the A names. It's going to the A names. I know, Adam, right? That's how it goes. Okay, last one. Here we go. Dogecoin. Alejandro, Adam, and Sly Lie Lighted. Sly Lie Lighted. Sly Lie Lighted is a lurker. I have never seen Sly Lie put a message down. Whoa, there you are. Sly Lie, congratulations. You're a winner too. 33 Dogecoin. Go to each winner. And you know what? We're going to do it again Sunday. We're going to do it again Sunday. Yes, Greg. Congratulations to all the winners today. Sly Lie Lighted. How about that? Very cool. All right. I need to write these down so I know who's who. This is giveaway 8. Alejandro, Adam Z, and Sly Lighted. There we go. Congratulations. Hey, that's the fun of Dogecoin, right? It's the fun of Dogecoin. Evergreens. Wow. Okay. Hey, have a good day. Do only good every day, even if you're evergreens. Oh, yeah. Not going to make it. You're welcome. Tell him, Alejandro. You're welcome. Now, I got to message this guy back. Yeah. 272. Hold on just a second. Oh, so much going on. Hey, look, Dogecoin's still going up. That may have been the bottom there of the dip, 23.5. I was checking to see how many Doge needed for 1,000 on Robinhood and accidentally swiped up. Oh, yeah. I know. Those were sirens. Someone's looking for me. They can't find me. I mean, you live in a city, that comes with it. Evergreen's got Michael Jackson. Yeah, absolutely. Some people just aren't made it. I mean, you got to live, right? And it's like, I thought we were having a good stream. Apparently not good enough for him. It's the time of the month. I told you right at the beginning of the giveaway, Alejandro, I'm not going to do it again. Just slide back to right at the beginning of the giveaway. I gave you the information. Okay? Wow. I didn't come to spend valuable time on giveaways and peasantries. He actually used the word peasantries. Look at that. Peasantries. Wow. Like, oh, not going to make it. He's not going to make it. Peasantries. Wow. Where's the bull run, bro? Did you read about the Bybit hack, people? It's like, come on. I know that's what happened in 2021. Bull run came in April. Rumor or not. Couldn't resist buying some Doge. I couldn't either. Bull run breather now. You bought at that bottom, Adam? Nice. It's looking like it might hold. Elon's looking for me. He knows where to find me. He knows I was the Doge father before him. Do I have a stun double? Maybe he did. I just read peasantries and I was like, peasantries? Wow. Peasantries. Yeah, Evergreen should go over to VP. Go hang out with VP. Exactly. See, 33 Doge. Art Scholar got some Doge and was like, yeah, that's all right. Jay needs. I need Doge $1. I need XRP $10. You're welcome, John. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm not going to sell any till May. We'll see what happens between now and May, but I may do a swing trade this summer. Sell in May and buy back in September. If it's 60 cents in September, whew, then I missed out. I don't know. Taco about more? I know, Evergreen missed the cat chart too. That was a good chart. Still on here. Doesn't look good when you zoom out though. But the cat's still there. Just a point in time. What's the cat? Actually better on the 30-minute, right? But you got to scroll back. There's the cat. Cat's still there. That tail played out pretty well. Maybe we'll do another cat. It's pretty close to the same pattern. You see that? Didn't quite get this ear up high enough, but pretty close, right? Wow, I could draw another cat, guys. Whoa, wait a minute. Did we actually just repeat almost the same exact pattern? Is that crazy? It just went up higher than the previous cat and dipped lower. It's a bigger cat. It's a bigger cat, guys. It's a bigger cat. It's almost exactly the same. A bigger cat. Wow. Hey, you never know, right? That is really something. I suppose I should just draw the rest of it, right? I got to draw the rest of the cat. It's a repeat. It's a repeat pattern. Right? There it is. We got another cat, guys. Now, the trick is going to be the tail, right? Are we going to see the tail? Is the tail going to come up like this? We'll see. Ha! We got another cat pattern, guys. Yeah, I didn't like this line right there. That one didn't come out. We can delete that. We'll just leave it at that. There. Oh my God. It's a repeat cat chart for the Pax cat. This is serious TA here. Again. Serious TA. Yep. Came for the Doge, stayed for the cats. I know. People are taking their time actually watching me draw. You should see me draw a building. Peasantries. Ron got another 50,000. Wow. XRP long term, probably do all right. I just don't like the project. But XRP is probably going to do okay. The meow dip. We'll see if Doge stays in this tail. Come back over 24 cents here. That'd be awesome if it did. That would be awesome. You love cats? We like cats here. I don't know where Pax cat is. I've got the door closed though. There's too much noise and I just closed the door. Pax cat will be back. John, you're getting married in July. Do you think I can put Dogecoin as a wedding gift registry? Just buy a Dogecoin. You don't need a crock pot, right? It's like a crock pot or Doge. Somebody get me a crock pot. Oh yeah, my watermark. Here, I'll just move this one over. There we go. Just move it over. Start a second channel, drawing buildings. Will never be as fun. Hey, Dustin, you made it. Could use AutoCAD to make the perfect. 150 likes on the stream. We're 137 now. Weak, but okay. Yeah, too bad Evergreen didn't stick around to see the cat being drawn. Guess it's too peasant-like for him. Too peasant-like. Yes, the tail goes up because we want the price to go up. Follow the tail. We need to touch $20. For what? What's going to touch $20? Jay, I've talked about XRP so many times. I don't know if I can get into the whole thing again. You got to do your research. Yeah, $20 is like, that is the moon or Mars or something. $20. Yeah, I don't know. Bitcoin's at 95.2. Is Bitcoin going to recover back up to 96? That was support, just blasted right below it. ETH 2635. It did come down and almost touch 2600. But ETH was the kind of the big loser. That hack on Bybit just took it out. But typically when prices go down, Dogecoin will always go down harder. It just happens. And you got to be able to live with that, with Doge. And then when it goes back up, Doge will outperform. That's just how it works. Which one do you want to see? You want to see Bitcoin RR or Doge? Bitcoin, there's not a lot of new. There's a few shorts up here. 96.2, just over 96. The big ones are all up here at 99 and 100. And then if we look at the week, we'll see where some of the longer ones are. Yeah, see, look at all of that it took out. Man. Yeah, there's some big ones down here at 93. But yeah, look at all of that. Shorts got taken out, and then all the new longs all the way down to 94.9. What does that mean for Doge? Doge doesn't have as much leverage trading. But look at all those longs. There's just nothing left down here. But that's a lot for Doge. They got the shorts going up and then the longs going down. Yep. Draw only green entablatures. Nice background. The Sphinx. Love it. Is there such a thing as a falling chainsaw? I know. The entire market was down, and yet everyone's blaming Dogecoin. And it wasn't Dogecoin's fault. It really wasn't. Ugh. Toss, you think Monday? Well, Monday's going to bounce back because it's my birthday. And going to be green in the market on my birthday. That's for sure. Jose, lowering your average. Nice. Any advice for new crypto YouTubers? You got to be able to grind. Even on days if you don't feel like it, you got to grind. And you got to like what you're doing. Don't just make a channel because you think it's going to make money, but it's not something you're passionate about. And it's not something that you like, because it'll never happen then. So stick with something you like, have fun with it. Otherwise, you'll just give up. It takes a long time to build a channel, but good luck. Yeah, not much down there. So time for price to move back up. Is Jasmy about to have a death cross? Let's take a look. You guys remember what a death cross is? You go to the daily, and then you put in your indicators. You need 2 moving averages. The first average is let's make it that. And that's a 50. All right, so there's your 50. We're below that. That's not a good sign. And where's the other indicator? It's 100 or 200, I'm sorry. 200, simple moving average. We'll make it white. There it is. Yep, it's pointing that way. It's definitely pointing that way. There was a golden cross here back on December 8th. But that was after Jasmy had already run up. But it did go on a little second run there. But yeah, if this 50 comes down, it crosses back under the 200, that's a death cross. That would be a death cross. See where Doge's is. Yeah, nowhere near. Bitcoin's way spread apart. ETH is starting to get close. Sheep was close. Oh, Sheep did it. Sheep did it on Wednesday. There it is, the Sheep death cross right there on Wednesday. That's what it looks like. Why is it still falling? It's not. It's coming back up. I know it's hard to see with my cat drawing here. I need to turn off these. There we go. We're coming back up. 23.7. Not still falling. Going to follow the tail up. Thanks, John, but I think we're working on it. I think we got a path already, but thanks. Thank you, Basama. Appreciate it. We're going to see a large influx of ETH on the stock exchange. You mean like buying ETH ETFs? Hey, Hector, how are you? Upcoming months? Yeah. What is the name of my car? 100 Doge. I don't know. You doing a giveaway? Lots happened, Wesley. We've been talking about it for the last hour. That 1539 Pepe isn't looking good right now, Christoph. How much money do you make in YouTube? That is a loaded question. It varies all over the place. Finance channels tend to do better on advertising rates than like if you're just doing, I don't know, random, whatever, just like gaming. the gaming rates aren't really great. So if you're doing like a Minecraft video, you need like hundreds of thousands in order to match someone who has tens of thousands on finance. That tends to be how it works, just on the advertising revenue. But most of those are making extra money doing a lot of affiliates and other things. Thank you, Raul. It'll be Monday. Green candles on Monday. If it goes down, the cat will be crapping blood. Yeah, exactly, Jacob. That would not be good. The Pi network brought everything down. Hey, people are asking me about it, and I've been consistent for months telling everyone what I thought about Pi. Can't believe people still bought it. A lot of people just got free Pi, and I hope they sold it. The Death Cross. Hey, Alejandro, you became a member too. Awesome. Thanks. Congrats. Congrats again. Cryptos are like a box of chocolate. Right. If you can't see the cat because of the indicators, you got to get rid of the indicators. The cat is most important. There's a whole other set of people who call golden crosses and death crosses using the weekly. It's not the same. But if you want to look at the weekly, you think that's it for Jasmy on the weekly? Okay. We'll look at that. But it's getting close on the daily. Or no, it's 15-minute. Sorry, weekly. Can't do it on this Jasmy chart. The 200 week hasn't been around long enough. So there's no chart yet. Can't do it on the weekly. Jasmy hasn't been trading for 200 weeks yet. So no go on the weekly. But on the daily, the 50's drifting down. Jasmy did the same thing. Came down, dipped, 205, 0.0205. Now coming back up. Dogecoin, got to follow the tail. Got to follow the tail. Pi network, Hakar. I've been very consistent about it. Pyramid scheme. Total pyramid scheme. Vine might hit it big if the guy is able to sell Vine to like Elon and X. That's what he's hoping for. You have to buy more Doge before my birthday. I know. Megal did a split. It did a 4-to-1 reverse split. So it was almost 50 cents. It was about 48 cents. And then it did a 4-to-1. So it went up to almost $2. So it's like $1.80 post split. And now it's at like $1.75. Yeah. But it was a reverse stock split. Yep. Usually when that happens, the price will drift back down close to where it was. There's just 4 times as many stocks out there now with the reverse split. So or actually it's 4 times less. Yeah, it's 4 times less when you do the reverse split. Sorry. I was thinking about it. I was like, that didn't sound right. Yeah, don't do that hype. No Pax coin. No. We don't need that in the world. Nobody needs that. What else is going on today, guys? The Pentagon is to fire between 5 to 8% of its civilian workers. Just clearing out the extra. Don't need it all. Wow. A lot of people doing Grok 3. There's Cash getting officially sworn in. FBI, look out. Is that Pam Bondi swearing him in? Awesome. Love it. Love it. Cash Patel. Former President Trump is considering a proposal to redistribute 20% of savings from Elon Musk's proposed $2 trillion in government spending cuts, potentially giving taxpayers $5,000 each, and it is called a Doge dividend. A Doge dividend. How about that? Doge dividend coming soon. Redistributing a portion of Doge savings directly back to American taxpayers. The Doge dividend. Payable in Dogecoin? No, that's probably not going to happen. Gamba, will Bybit survive? Yeah. Yeah, Ben's got it. He seems to be a legit guy. And it's going to be painful for a little while with that kind of loss. But exchange is still working. It's not shut down. It's not paused. I think he'll do all right. The Korean ETH reserve. North Korean. You gave me a shout out. Awesome. I'll take a look at it later. I know, Doge dividend. It's possible. Yeah, he said a secret weapon is cash. Cash. I am not going to participate in a Pax coin. I'm not going to do it. You're new on X? Nothing but politics? Got to do crypto, dude. Get in the crypto fam. And do your GMs. Good mornings with everybody. I don't do that. I don't do the GMs. No. Yes, SEC is going to drop the lawsuit against Coinbase, it looks like. So once that Coinbase one gets settled, and then there's still an XRP one out there that they need to get resolved. And once that goes, there might be a couple other smaller ones. I don't remember. I don't remember what happened with, like, was it Kraken or KuCoin? It was one of those. There was something going on. But yeah, they're clearing it all out. I'll give the dividend to my wife. Hey, Kyle, it depends on what you put it in, right? If you go put it in the Pi network, you're just dumb. I'm sorry. Not financial advice, but that would be just dumb to do. So don't do that. Does today's USA feel more like the one we were fed or lied to about in the 80s? Does it feel like that dream is actually possible? No, different time. Totally different time now. Basically, in the 1980s, there was a real middle class, and that's practically gone. It's now the haves and have-nots, pretty much. The middle class that's left is the one paying most of the taxes. So, and with house prices like they are and the cost of everything, it's like being middle class, still you're struggling financially. You're still struggling financially. And that wasn't like that in the 80s. It wasn't at all. So, hey, as long as the 80s fashion doesn't come back, that wasn't so good. We don't need that. The music was good, but the fashion, not so good. The 5K is just a ploy to raise prices on everything. Yeah, it'll be fun for a while, but eventually inflation will kick in again. It won't be immediate. It'll probably be quicker this time than what we had in 2021. Yeah, nothing from Stebbin yet. He said he has it drafted and it's being reviewed by someone. I don't know what that means. $4,000 a month for daycare. Oh, I have no idea. I did daycare many, many years ago, and I don't even remember what I paid. But my kids were in daycare like 18 years ago. So I don't remember what those prices were. I remember it was a lot, but I don't remember. Yeah, and how 4,000 a month? How do you? I mean, you got your rent, you got your utilities, you got your food, all your other things. It's like, man. You want to pay off your house? It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling to know. No more rent, no more no mortgage. Not bad. '80s, big hair, lots of hairspray. Where's the Good Friday news? I think it's the cattail. Look at that. It's coming up. The tail might have to go higher, which is a good sign. As predicted, I think that's the bottom, now moving up. I should actually make that a different color because the white doesn't look good. Yeah, red doesn't look good either. We'll just leave it red. I was wondering, was that poop coming out of the cat there? What is that? No, that was me circling the 23.5 dip there. And now we're coming back up. Dollar Doge, you're mortgage free. Good luck. That's up there. That's up there. Yeah, so what do we think about this Doge dividend? The Doge dividend. That's crazy. Can they really yeah, I don't remember how the other how the stimulus checks worked back in 2020. What they actually had to do to get those started. Whether that was a Congress thing or not, I don't remember. But yeah, a lot going on, despite it kind of being a red day. But yeah, so look, it's a Friday. Cheers, everyone. I hope you have a great weekend. I'll be live again on Sunday. Probably squeeze a video in tomorrow to see what's going on with Doge dividend and all of that. Yeah, we'll talk about that. And then Sunday, we'll have another giveaway on the live. And then going right into Monday, which will be my birthday, we'll have a fun live stream then as well. I hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll see how this cat tail comes out. Again, not financial advice and not the best technical analysis, but it worked last time. And it followed the tail up. So everybody have a great evening. We'll see you next time.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has like skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.